Welcome back to English Flow with Paul and Nick. Today we're diving into one of the most useful everyday situations, ordering coffee in English.
Yes, whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just practicing, ordering coffee is one of the easiest and most natural ways to use English.
Let's start with the most common and friendly phrase. You can simply say, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?"
Exactly. Short, polite, and perfect for beginners. But if you want something more specific, you can say, "I'd like a latte, please."
Or if you prefer something sweet, "I'll have a caramel macchiato."
Now, the barista might ask you a few questions. The first one you'll probably hear is, what size? Small, medium, or large?
And here's a very useful tip. If you want to take the coffee with you, you say, "To go, please."
Yes, and if you want to drink it at the cafe, you say, "For here, please."
You may also hear the barista ask, "Do you want anything else?"
You can answer, "No, that's all, thank you," or "Yes, I'd like a muffin."
Let's do a quick mini conversation. Nick, order a coffee from me.
Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Sure, what size?
Medium, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Perfect. That is exactly how a real conversation at a coffee shop sounds.
And here's one more great phrase. Can I get it with less sugar? Or can I get it with oat milk?
Very useful. The more you personalize your order, the more natural your English becomes.
Now it's your turn. Think about your favorite coffee. How would you order it in English?
Practice saying it out loud. The more you repeat, the easier it gets.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and your English will flow naturally.
Subscribe for more everyday English lessons. See you in the next episode.